Hello everybody, I'm Martin Jones. I'm a supply chain transformation consultant here at the Config team.
Hello everyone, I'll just apologise straight away that I've lost my voice, but I will keep going. I'm Kim Morrow. I'm the digital core lead at the Config team.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about S4HANA and specifically some of the cloud transformations and projects that are going on at the moment. So Kim, you're leading the digital core team at the Config team. What do we mean by digital core?
Digital core, within the digital core team, we're a team of SAP experts delivering S4HANA right across the full scope of S4HANA. So material management, sales and distribution, finance and controlling, production planning, manufacturing execution, along with our logistics team in warehouse. So the full integrated end-to-end solution for our customers. We partner with our customers to deliver full integrated solutions to modernise and streamline their business processes. When customers implement S4HANA, they're leveraging functionality also such as AI, automation, sustainability.
So what kind of projects are the digital core team working on at the moment?
So in my previous role as a senior project manager, I would have been managing S4 global template programs, implementing SAP right across EM, EA. I also previously worked on the customer side, like many in the digital core team, in a supply chain operations role. In my new role as digital core lead, I recognise the importance of positioning ourselves with cloud, clean core and AI solutions and expertise. Currently, we pride ourselves in being small enough to care, big enough to deliver, and across our team, we're delivering enterprise-wide S4 implementations and upgrades. We're also leading on solution design and blueprinting. We're supporting customers with data migration and change management, change enablement, and also providing strategic advice to our customers also.
Where do you see customer demand at the moment? Are there any modules in particular that are very popular right now?
Well, of course, we're always known, and there is huge demand for our supply chain and logistics expertise, but we also see demand for finance and controlling, sales and distribution, and material management, so that full scope of S4HANA is in demand to provide that full integrated solution for our customers. Continuous learning is really important to us. I realise the importance of fostering a culture of knowledge sharing and mentoring. With the cloud shift ERP, we continue to maintain our SAP certifications. And also when we think about new talent coming into the Config team through our Associate Academy, associates gain immediate practical SAP experience by being able to shadow other consultants in customer projects. Next week as well, we're looking forward to taking part in SAP partner testing in Waldorf. So across the team, we'll be testing with SAP across finance and controlling, across sales and distribution, and also production planning.
So Kim, it's interesting that you mention testing with SAP in Waldorf. What do you mean by that? Could you elaborate a bit more?
Well, of course, we're partnered closely with SAP. As part of that, they've invited us to take part in private cloud partner testing in Waldorf. We'll bring our expertise and our real-world experience to that, ultimately to shape solutions along with SAP for the future.
So with the rise of SAP's cloud solutions, what makes a good consultant in today's climate?
So functional skills and technical expertise is a given. It needs to go beyond that. With rapid digital transformation, a shift to Cloud ERP and increasing client expectations, it's important that we stay current, that we keep up to date with our SAP certifications, with emerging technologies such as AI, automation, analytics, sustainability. Our strategic thinking and advisory skills are key. Our customers want us as a partner, not just as implementers of SAP solutions. SAP is evolving fast, so it is important that we work with our customers with these emerging technologies.
What type of soft skills are needed at the moment?
Communication skills, strong stakeholder alignment, ultimately ensuring effective change management. An SAP implementation isn't just about that. The implementation, it's primarily around the user adoption. So we work with our customers, guiding them through their transformation, ensuring they realise those measurable benefits for the users.
So Kim, as we're getting ever closer to the deadlines for the end of support of ECC and various enhancement packs, are customers taking this on board? Are they starting off on their cloud journeys, or are they slightly hesitant to do that? And do you see any roadblocks in the way?
Some customers are embracing SAP Cloud ERP, others are hesitant. There are some key blockers for some of our customers, and they see it as quite technically complex and costly for them, particularly those who have heavily customized solutions. Some struggle to justify the cost. They're unclear on the business value. We work closely with them to help them navigate the benefits and the structure of the SAP RISE offering. Some customers are experiencing change fatigue. They've been involved in quite significant implementations already, and the thought of quite a sizable transition again is quite a worry. In the config team and across the digital core team, we're a good sounding board. We listen to our customers. We help them work through the benefits of the SAP RISE offering to ultimately realise tangible benefits for their organisation. It's an interesting balance for customers at the moment. We're working with customers to ensure they leverage the full functionality and benefits of their current SAP investment, but also looking ahead and guiding them in their transition to Cloud ERP. That could be with some quick wins in their finance area, analytics, before they move to that full transition across their organisation.
So lots of customers are obviously heading towards cloud transformations in the minute. What feedback are you hearing from the customers? What are the biggest challenges that they're facing with the transformations?
Yes, if we look across the industry at the moment, we can see some really good examples of successful Cloud ERP transformations. But there are other examples. We think of a global manufacturing company we know of. It was quite a bumpy transformation, a bit like my voice today. The client had quite a heavily customised solution, so that led to some significant change across their business process, some workflow change, some resistance on the shop floor primarily, which then led to quite a dependence on external consultants. Then if we take another global manufacturing company who wanted to modernise and unify their business process internationally, they leveraged the benefits of SAP Cloud ERP right across the full scope.
So what are the benefits that the company saw from the transition, Kim?
Benefits that primarily came from fully utilising SAP Fiori apps. Benefits such as real-time analytics, reduced lead times, improved production planning, standardised workflows, effective inventory management.
So Kim, you gave us two examples there of two different journeys that companies have taken. One was obviously difficult and one was more successful. What set those two apart?
When we look across the two, what we could see was strong executive sponsorship, clear vision, and what was really important was early stakeholder engagement and effective change management.
So Kim, we've covered an awful lot today. If you were going to leave our audience with some key takeaways, what would they be?
just say have a conversation with us. We're here to help. We'll help you work through your options. We can put you in touch with other customers who are partway through their journey and help you decide what's right for your business.
Kim, thank you very much for your insights into the digital core team today. And thank you everybody for listening.